Hi everyone, this is Group RGD. Today I want to introduce our web application here, which is known as Online Bookshop. Now let's get started. This is the welcome page for the website. The search bar is at the top of this website and 10 random items is shown at the bottom. For the search bar, we separated it into 5 details. They are all title, author, publication tab, and publication year. For example, we want to search an item which is published in 2010. We tap 2010 in this bar and press search. So there comes 3 results. So if we want to know the detail of this item, we can press the title and the result will be shown here. There are 2 buttons at the bottom, which is add to shopping cart and back. If we want to add this item to shopping cart, we can press this button. There comes a notice that we cannot do this because we haven't logged in, so we need to log in first. If we want to get back to welcome page, we can press the logo here, so we get back. As we are not the membership of this website, we need to register first. There are 2 roles for us, which is buyer and the seller. First, we can be a buyer. We can enter our username here, such as and the password. We need to confirm the password, and also for the email. And we need to tap our credit card number here, which is 16 numbers, and we submit. So we must confirm in our email. So let's go to the email and refresh. We find out, and we can press this link and get back to our website. Now we have logged in as a buyer. We can see from the website that we have several choices here: the advanced search, my account, my card, my order, and logout. Compare with the visitor, the buyer can see the picture for each item here. So let's start at the advanced search. So we can choose the tab of the item, such as article or book and so on, and the title and author and year. We have a try. The author, you can try Martin, and year maybe 2008. Yep, you search. So it comes the result. The author is Martin, and the year is 2008. And let's go to the My Account part. If we press My Account, we'll come to another page. There are a menu here, which is the item bought and my profile. If we press item bought, because we never buy anything here, so we do not have anything in our item bought. If we press my profile, it will be show our profile, which had filled in the registration, which our username and email and credit card number. If we want to add my profile, we can press this button, and there will have some blanks for us to tab. You can try this. You can enter the first name, the last name, and nickname. And also we can change our credit card number, such as we enter 62. So we complete. So you can see that we have changed our profile here. So let's get back to our buyer main page. If we want to buy something here, we can just search for the detail and find out some items we want, such as for the red book. We search, we can see the detail is different from the visitors that we can see the picture at the left hand side. And then we can enter the quantity we needed, such as we need for this book, and add to shopping cart. So this item is at the shopping cart. We can see from here. Now you have some choice. The first one is remove this item if you do not want this anymore, and also buy it. So we do not want to buy it now, so we can add some other books here, such as for this one. We add 2 to the shopping cart, and then we can see the 2 things in shopping cart. Also, we can enter the shopping cart by this button. So now we want to buy these things, such as we want to buy this book or 2 for this book. You can enter the quantity you needed in this blank and then buy now. So we have buy this 2, which will be shown in item bot or my order button. And we can come back to our cart. It will show that we have buy 1 from this book and buy 2 from this article. So the quantity will be 1 and 2. So we finish this job and we will back to my account. We can see the item bought here. Yes, we have bought 2. So if you press the my dear buyer, you can also see your account here. So that is all the function for the buyer. Now we log out, and then we will try logging here. Now we log in as a seller. We can enter some seller we have registered, such as seller 1. We enter the password and submit it. We have logged in as a seller. For the seller, it will have my account and sell item option here. So first, we start at my account. The seller to the buyer that we have my profile here, and also can edit our profile, such as we can know that now our birthday is 2000. We can add the profile and change the birthday to 1999. So complete. So you can see that the birthday have changed. So then, if I seller, I need to sell an item. So we can try and sell item. You can fill in this blank like the title is good book, and author is me. And for other things I don't want to fill in, and the book, and tab is book. And especially for update picture, we can enter our picture here, such as for this URL, and then we complete. We need to enter price, so we can enter this price like $10. So we complete. Then we can check the item we have sale is like this. This item is sold by us. This is detail for this item, so we can back. Also, you can check the item you have sold by using manage your item. There are the list for the item you are selling or you have sold. You can also post this item or update this item here, such as for the item we have submit. We select this item and edit it, such as we edit it as a bad book. So then complete it. So we can check to the second page. The name will become the bad book. So if we do not want to set in this book, we can remove this, or we can post it, such as we can post it. The book will not be sold at this time. If you want to cancel the post, you can press this button. The book will be cancelled. Post. So if I do not want to set this book anymore, we can remove this item. So this item is removed. This is all the function for setter. So let's log out. And then I will show the admin page for you. So we use admin login. Admin login.gsp. So there will come a login page for us. So we can use the admin we have. So this is the main page for admin, which will have some buttons such as my profile, item search, or administration, and logout. So you can see our profile here, which cannot be added because you are the administration. Your data has been saved in the database, so you cannot edit by yourself. And you also can search the item, such as we search the item like 2009 and 1999, so there's no result. So we can also search 2000. Yeah, there are 2 books here. So if we select one book, and they will show the details for this book, and we can also remove this item. Yeah, remove this book. This book, if we remove this book will no longer show in our list. Yeah, let's try it. Yeah. So let's get back and search for the same. Yeah, we cannot see this book here. So also for the administration, we have 2 choices. The first one is search buyer, such as we search the buyer we have registered. Yeah, this is us. So this is the buyer name and buyer email and ban state. This state shows that if this user has been banned. So we enter. There will show the buyer detail and the history for this buyer. Because we haven't done anything for in this row, so there will be nothing here. So if we change our search, like we search buyer 1, so we can see something here, and then such as we saw others, if it has some action. No, yeah. So for the seller, we can search some seller. Yeah, they will have 2 sellers. So we can ban this seller or not ban this seller. If we ban this seller, the state will be yes, and we can cancel this ban. So this is all for the administration. If we do not want to stay in this page, we can log out. So we will come back to the login page for administration. After this, I want to show you some PPTs which will briefly introduce the roles in our website. The first one is visitor. If you are a visitor, you will be start at welcome page, and they will have 3 choices. The first one is login, and will be showing login page, and then the register and the search. If you have finished the login and the register page, you have made good choice. The first one is buyer, and the second one is seller. If you are a buyer, you will enter the buyer main page, and if you are a seller, you will enter the seller main page. And in the visitor search, you have to do the search, and it will show the search result in search result page. And then if you click one item there, you will go to the visitor item detail. After this, we will show the buyer here. The buyer will start at the buyer main page, and in this page you can search or advanced search, or you can view your account and shopping cart and your order. If you do search or advanced search, it will show in the search result page here. And if you enter the my account, you can edit your profile or see your profile, and up there's your item bought. And then for seller, if you're a seller, you start at seller main page, and you can check your account, which will show your profile and manage your item detail, and also you can sell an item. For admin, start at the admin login page. If you finish login, you will be at the admin main page, and then you can check your profile. You can search item, or in this search you can find some item which you want to delete this item or remove this item. And there is another option for you is administration. And administration, you will have two choices. The first one is buyer list, the second one is seller list. In the buyer list, you can search the buyer name and so on. You can bind this buyer and also for the seller. Especially for buyer, you can see the buyer detail and the buyer history and decide if you want to bind this buyer or not. So after we finish this PPT, we can see some data here. We use MySQL as our database. So we created 7 tables here. The first one is buyer, and then seller, user history, sold item, sell item, and admin. We can see the relationship we have built between these tables. So I will not introduce them. Okay, that is the end for today. Thank you. Bye bye.